Today, we're diving into the world of the Fujifilm X-T30 XF18-55mm kit, a powerful camera that seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with a vintage aesthetic. At its core is the 4th-generation X-Trans CMOS 4-back illuminated sensor, delivering an impressive 26.1 MP and extending sensitivity to ISO 160 for assured image quality. The X-Trans color filter array minimizes moire and false colors without the need for an optical low-pass filter, resulting in vibrant, true-to-life colors packed with detail. The X processor 4 quad-core CPU ensures lightning-fast autofocus in just 0.02 seconds, with enhanced tracking capabilities for both stills and 4K 30p video, even in low-light conditions down to -7 EV. Speaking of video, the X-T30 is a versatile imaging device with 4K recording at 30 frames per second and 240 frames per second at 1080p for stunning 10x super slow-motion effects. Filmmakers will appreciate the option to record 10-bit, 4:2:2 color through the HDMI port, F-Log internally, or explore the 18 film simulation modes. Creativity knows no bounds with the X-T30. The dial-based operation and compact body, combined with a 3-inch, two-way tilting touchscreen, make it easy to achieve high-quality results. The advanced SR Auto mode simplifies the process by automatically choosing optimum settings from 58 presets. Beyond the lens, the X-T30 is made for sharing. Utilize Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to connect with the Fujifilm camera remote app, sharing memories on social media or printing favorites instantly with a compatible Fujifilm Instax smartphone printer. In conclusion, the Fujifilm X-T30 XF18-55mm kit is a perfect companion for photographers and videographers of all levels, offering a blend of technology and vintage charm that sparks creativity. It's a tool that not only captures moments but inspires you to explore new horizons. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.